how to use a VPN on your Android device, and how to set it up. Hey there! In this video I'm going to show you exactly that. We're going to download a VPN. I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing you want to do is open up your Play Store and search for the following app, Tunnel Bear. It's a free VPN that is actually very great, and you just need to install it. As you can see, it's relatively small, and then open it up. So we need to create a free account real quick. Let me get onto that and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we're verified, not now, it will give us this little landscape. And here we can, all these little pipes that you see, we can head over and click to any of them, and our internet address will be connected to it. So basically changing our location. So let's go to the United States. Okay, continue. Okay, press OK. And there we go. Ha, sorry. When I connected myself, it basically turned off my casting program that I used to stream my phone. So that's why you got that. But yeah, so you just click on any of these tunnels, and when you click on them, it will connect and basically move you anywhere around. And that's it. And once you activate it, you just minimize it. It just need to say that you're connected here, and you can do whatever you want and for whatever you need it. And that's it. Hope this helped. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.